A lot of the engineering crowd students typically ask me this. Vishnu, I'm an introvert. I have no idea how to make this small talk with people, especially on the phone or on Zoom. So I've tried to break down the small talk into an algorithm, and I'll take you through it. I am an engineering student and physics student myself, so I'm programmed to be an introvert. But this is no rocket science. It's very simple. If you simply follow my steps, you will be able to initiate a conversation and actually come up towards the end as being likable. So let's look at that. Number one, what is the goal? Goal is to build likability, not to get a job at this stage. Remember that. Number two, very simple question. How's your day going so far? Really simple, opener, non stressful question. If they are somebody that's talkative, they will start at something like this. I woke up, I had a great jog, I had my favorite coffee, and then, it was a lovely drive from my house to office, blah, blah, blah. If they are somebody who don't like to talk a lot, they'll say, it's good, let's go on, I'm busy. You should read it. So pay attention to the body language, to the tonality, etc. Don't be like blindly applying the algorithm. You have to be present in the moment. Ask another question. How did you join this organization? Very open-ended question. You see, both my first two questions start with how. They don't make it easy for the person to give a binary answer. And a lot of us ask these questions: Do you like your company or not? Or do you like? Are you having a good day or not? These are yes/no kind of answers, right? So they will not give you enough fodder or enough opportunity for the other person to talk. One of the cardinal principles is everybody likes to talk about themselves. 97% of people love talking about themselves. So ask them questions about their story, their journey. When they are giving you answers, try to be present and pick areas of similarity. You will always like people that are like, there are two people who are both fans of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. It's very easy to build likability if you get to that information, but your task is to extract that info from them. Then another question is, what are you working on right now? Again, non-controversial, very open-ended. They will talk about this project that they care about, blah blah blah. And then finally, please do your homework. If you've done your homework right, let's say you discover that they also love PETA, the animal charity. You can throw that in and resonate with them. This is not cheating, this is called preparation. But this requires at least like 20 minutes of online search on the person, on their LinkedIn profile. And if it's not on LinkedIn, don't worry. Then the conversation will try to give you those points of likability. Finally, if you just have time for just one question, go for it. Try to be cheeky and just say, why are you so good at your job? Literally, if there is a situation where they say, Vishnu, I've got only 3 minutes, go. Now, it's a good question because the fact that they have survived at that company for, let's say, more than a month, or more than a year, depending on the case, means they may be good at the job. Otherwise, it's very difficult to stay in that company. And then this is also a long essay question. This is not a yes/no question. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back with more content soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.